number one piece of advice I can give you for any BI project is don't accept long timelines. Software platforms have evolved so much over the past decade, and really, honestly, any project should be able to go from zero to seeing your first tangible results within 5 business days. I don't mean the finished project, but I also don't mean a prototype. The first real iteration of the project should be achievable within about 5 business days right now. That includes requirements gathering. The 6, 12, 18-month timelines that we were used to in the BI space, that's yesterday. Seriously, the tools have improved so much, we don't have to move at that speed anymore at all. So if you're hearing for your project that kind of timeline, 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, you either have the wrong platform or the wrong advisors or both. Keep looking, because tighter timelines are not only essential and necessary, especially now, but they're completely achievable really for the first time ever. Keep looking, the real solution's out there for you.